So you're looking at the student application running in the Safari browser on an iPhone, but this is a progressive web app, so it can be installed directly onto your iPhone, and you don't have to run it in a browser. You can just run it as an application, and I'm going to show you how to do that right here. The trick is going to be this share button down here. So what happens is you want to click on that while you're in the browser, and it's going to open up a dialog for you. And then you're going to come to the bottom row and select Add to Home Screen. Once you've done that, it'll pop up this dialog, and I'm just going to go ahead and change the name to Amlet instead of Students. And then when I click Done, it's going to actually create the application on my desktop. So it's right there. Now if I click on that, the application opens up. And now I'm running it as an app on my mobile phone rather than in the Safari browser. I'm going to go ahead here and make up a student name, and then I'm going to enter my passcode, and that way you'll see a class that I've set up for demonstration purposes. When you start typing the passcode, you'll get this dialog down here, and if it's a device that you own, you wouldn't want to share, you wouldn't want to save it if you're in a library, but if you own the device, click Owned by Me and it'll save the passcode in the future. And now you're looking at the app running natively and accessing all the app features.